I'm going to revise with you how to find an equation of a straight line. Let me introduce you a guide called Waterloo. Using this guide, you can get the equation easily. How to use this one? We can just substitute the y-coordinate of the point here and the x-coordinate of the point here, and then the slope here. Then the equation can be found. So let's look at this example. Question 1. The point is 1, 2, and the slope is 3. So we use the guide and putting here the y coordinate of the point 2, and here the x coordinate of the point 1, and here the slope 3. Then this is the equation already. We will write it again. Basically this is the equation, however we need to make it nicer, so we move the denominator to the right, and we have this. Expand by rainbow method, and lastly we get the everything to the right, because the 3x here is positive, so we make everything to the right 0. The final answer will be 3x minus y minus 1 equals 0. This is the equation that we want. Remember, for the final answer, the coefficient of x here must be positive, and you must get equal to 0, and every number, every coefficient or the constant must be integer. Let's continue with the question 2 and 3. Let me get the Waterloo ready first. Okay, the Waterloo are ready. So let's get started. For question 2, we have the point -4 and 5 with the slope equals the -2. So we substitute here the x coordinate here -4, and the y coordinate here 5, and the slope here 1/2. Basically we have done the equation, so let me rewrite it, and then we need to make it nicer. We need to move the denominator to the other side. Okay, that is 2y minus 5 and x plus 4 minus -4 is plus. So lastly we want to expand first, and we want to keep the x, the coordinate coefficient of x, to be positive here. So it is positive x, so we move everything to the right, so minus 2y plus 10, and finally the answer will be x minus 2y plus 14 equals 0. This is the equation we want. Okay, one more. Question 3. The point 2, -3, the slope -5/6. So we substitute 2x coordinate here 2, and y coordinate here -3, and then the slope here -5/6, and it's done. Y minus -3 over x minus 2 equals to -5/6. Move denominator, remember this one here, and be very careful that the negative is follows the numerator. If you choose to be follow the numerator, so you just keep there. Just the 6 move to the left, and you will get 6y plus 3 is -5 x minus 2. expand. And this time you see the coefficient of x is negative. We don't want this, so we move everything to the left. You will get 6y plus 18 plus 5x minus 10. And we get the order x first, 5x plus the 6y, and then plus 8 equals 0. This is the equation we want.